If you love spring and Easter themed decor, you will love these super cute little fuzzy bunnies. I also have a spoon rest to Easter up your kitchen, and who can resist a pom-pom wreath? I know I can't. Keep watching to see these 3 Easter crafts with a few Dollar Tree finds. Here were some of my Dollar Tree finds for the fuzzy bunnies. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. I'm Maria, and I love sharing ways to get creative in your home. So please consider subscribing right down there to my channel if you like crafts, cupcakes, and creativity. This video is part of a playlist hosted by the DIY Mommy. There will be so many great spring DIYs over there, so I will link that playlist down below so you can check it out after this video. These little pom-poms came with a clip on them, so removing that was the first step. I used the floral wire for the bunny ears, but it was too thin for the look I was going for, so I wrapped a little masking tape around it to thicken it up. And then I left a little wire at each end so I could use that to secure the ears to the pom-pom at the end. Since this wire is so thin, it was easily hidden in the fur of the pom-pom when I wrapped it around. I just love how these came out. Let me know what you think of this first Easter craft in the comments down there below. I would love to hear what you thought of it. Okay, on to the second craft. I used some oil-based paint markers and a spoon rest that I found from the Dollar Tree. I created some dots for reference before drawing out the whole design, and then just drew the outline and filled in with the paint markers. These can be baked onto ceramic and glass to make them dishwasher safe, but since this is a thick plastic piece, we will not be putting it in the oven. I did put some water on it to make sure it was water resistant, so this should be fine for using just as a spoon rest and then rinsing off with a little soap or water when it gets dirty. We are moving right along, and this craft is an adorable pom-pom wreath. I got this set of pom-poms on Amazon, but we are going to make this with a super cheap wreath base, so that will offset the cost of the pom-poms, which I think were like $10. So at the end of the season, you can disassemble this, and then you can use those pom-poms for another craft. I love the colors because they are subtle, yet still kind of springy at the same time. I do have a video coming up next week with another DIY using these pom-poms, so make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on that video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. I have some more home decor inspiration on this playlist right over here, so make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.